Okay, so today we are making a warm chocolate fudge torte, which is basically the best thing for like Christmassy dinners and just when the weather's a bit cold because it's super indulgent, but it's really, really easy. So your guests will be very happy with this one. It's from the cookbook, page 242 if you've got it, and let's make it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is just mix all the ingredients together. So we need to have 300 grams of ground almonds, 150 grams of buckwheat flour, cacao powder, coconut sugar, and a pinch of salt. And you're gonna mix those all together in a large mixing bowl. So once all your dry ingredients are mixed, we're gonna add our maple and our date syrups. And then we're gonna add almond milk and the weird one, chickpea water. So you need to just drain a can of chickpeas and keep the water and just use your chickpeas in a salad or a stew or a curry or anything like that. I know it sounds strange, but as we mixed it all together, you're gonna see it adds a kind of fluffy lightness, which is absolutely amazing and hard to get otherwise in vegan baking. So now just mix it all together, stir it all up, and then we're gonna just pour that into a lined baking tray and pop that in the oven and let that bake for 20 to 25 minutes or so. And then we're gonna let it cool for another 30 minutes once it's come out the oven. So as the torte is baking, we're gonna make the sauce, and all we need to do is just add some pitted dates to a saucepan and add the rest of our almond milk to that. So you wanna cover the dates, and then we're gonna let that start to simmer. So once the dates are nice and soft and squidgy, we're gonna add our cacao powder and the coconut oil and let the coconut oil start to melt in, and just a little pinch of salt as well. And then just pop the pan to the side for kind of 10 minutes or so and just let it cool so that it's not boiling hot. So at that point, just pour it all into the blender, mix it all up until it's really smooth and creamy. Again, you could add more milk or water here if you wanted to thin it out a little bit. And then we're just gonna assemble it all. So cut the torte into big, nice, chunky slices, and then either pour the chocolate sauce on the top, or you can do it super fancily, just like it is on the book, and smear it underneath. So here we go. Hopefully you can make this to your friends and family over the holidays, and let us know what you think of it. As you can see, it looks fancy, but it's super easy and it's so indulgent, and you've got to use the sauce for other things as well, because it's just heaven on earth, put it on pancakes. Have a lovely day. Bye.